Here's a 2015 Ford Focus. With plenty of style and more than enough attitude, this is a machine that appears to be moving even when standing still. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: manual transmission, gas pressurized shocks, active grille shutters, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, air conditioning, external memory control, manual tilting steering column, power windows, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Kelley Blue Book reports the Focus has undergone a clean sheet recasting that brings a new look, enhanced quality, more features to a slightly larger package that's far more compelling both visually and dynamically. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Flood Ford, we want to be the best dealer in Southern New England. Swing by and see us today at one of our convenient locations.